Okay, here is a makeup pro tip, and I'm about to blow your mind. So when a brand tells you you don't need more than one color foundation, that's just not true, unless you want to look like a circle. So on one side of my face, I have one color foundation from here to my hairline, and my face looks flat. On this side of my face, I have a little contour just to give some definition. And let me tell you why you need two colors, or it depends on the placement of your foundation. So with our cachet cream, you can easily place it here and in your T-zone, in the highlights of your face. If you bring it all the way to your hairline, you will need another color to bring definition back into your face. So everyone knows how to draw a circle, right? How do you make a circle look like a moon? You have to shade it, and then all of a sudden it has dimension. If a brand comes to you or they're advertising, oh, you don't need two colors, like one color for your whole face, especially with ethnic people, or if you live in a sunny area, you're gonna have a darker hairline because it's closer to the sun. And then it's gonna be darker here than it will be here. And then if you bring that color foundation to your hairline, it's gonna not match. You can't use one color on your whole face from your hairline to your hairline because you will look flat. That's why they say people look heavier on camera. Here, usually you don't need a lot of coverage around your hairline. That's why this works, because it can just easily blend into your skin, and depending on how you apply it. You're welcome.